However, what a lot of people are now waking up to is the fact of United Healthcare is owned by United Health Group. And underneath United Health Group, they also own Optum. And Optum is the largest employer. They employ over 100,000 physicians in the United States. They're the largest employer of doctors in the United States. You, as a mental health professional, probably know of Optum because Optum is actually the payer of mental health. United Healthcare, when you get paid by UHC, it actually says Optum.
Yeah.
UHC doesn't do the mental health. Optum is the mental health arm. Well, they have another group which is owned by United Health Group called Optum Ventures. And Optum Ventures is their private equity arm. And so
Yeah.
what I'm trying to bring to light is these insurance companies are operating as sophisticated Wall Street financial. I mean, insurance is financial services.
It absolutely is.
So, and one of the other things to keep in mind is, and I'm not claiming that I know a tenth of what a licensed counselor knows. However, I will say business school, especially finance, because I have degrees in both accounting and finance, is a little bit more well-rounded because we are taught psychology, especially in finance. We are taught behavioral finance, behavioral
Hmm.
economics. We are taught psychology and management. And so these Wall Street executives know human psychology and know how to exploit it as well. And on the other end of that, so we spent some time talking about United Healthcare and Optum. Blue Cross Blue Shield may very well be a worse transgressor of direct ownership in medical and mental health. And they may actually employ more physicians, but it's hard to really know because the way that Blue Cross Blue Shield Anthem works is they are a state franchise under a not for profit. Um, they get the not for profit rights to use the name and the trademark of depending on the state, Blue Cross Blue Shield or Anthem. But then there are these large holding companies, some of them public. Elevance is one of the largest holding companies of Blue Cross Blue Shield Anthem um, state franchises. And the other one that I have been shedding light on is called HCSC. HCSC is not a public company, but it's very large. And HCSC is the holding company that owns and controls Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Montana, and Illinois. And I bring HCSC up because in October of 2023, it's public knowledge. I have links to it. They became the lead strategic investor. So they are like the lead investor in Headway. And that to me is a huge conflict of interest. And it's hard to track and trace it all because of how well and how sophisticated um, they put together their holding companies.